If business owner ka, I'm sure naghag mga butang and mga tao nga nakadepende sa imuha. Hi guys, this is Jesse Alcaraz. I teach people accounting, business, and financial literacy concepts. Kung business owner ka, nakadepende sa imuha ang needs sa imong family, ang income sa imong business, ang mga assets nga naipundar na nimo, and also the livelihood of your employees. And kabalota nga there are a lot of things nga uncertain and mga risk associated with running a business. Natay inflation, regulation sa government, change sa technology, natural disasters like mga baha, sunog, earthquake and all, and even customer preferences that will have a direct impact on the performance of our business. Usahay, nindot ang performance, usahay, medyo minus pod. And on top of that, there is the risk of also losing yourself, losing the businessman, the businesswoman, him or herself, through an accident, an illness, or even death. And if that happens, sa itong mga na-mention ako kanina na family needs, income, or the business itself, the assets, as well as the livelihood of the employees will surely be compromised. And slowly but surely, mabaligya ang mga assets, maprenda ang business, or mabaligya ang business, ma-lay off ang mga employees, and isa-isa na sila mawala. Because again, nakapasan tanan na ng mga butang sa shoulder sa isa ka entrepreneur. Diha na musulod ang insurance. Okay, so if you're a business owner, I'm sure nga kaya nimo i-produce ng 1,000 pesos per month. Okay, kanang 1,000 pesos for a lot of business owners, maragamay ra dyan na siya, no? Pwede na siya gamiton for gasolina, mga 4 days to 1 week worth of gasolina. Pwede na siya gamiton pang palit o isa ka parcel sa Shopee or Lazada. Isa ra po nakakauna, no, sa isa ka restaurant, especially kung kuyog ang family. Or kung gamiton na siya sa grocery, pwede ra po, pero it might last 2 to 3 days lang. So again, the 1,000 pesos is considered na ito nga not life-changing. In accounting, po tayo natawag nga immaterial. Immaterial because it will not really put your business in jeopardy or makompromise ang operation sa imong business kung mawalaan og 1,000 pesos per month. Because again, this is just a small portion of the expenses. So, nothing will really be affected drastically. However, if kaning 1,000 pesos nimo, ibutang nimo ni siya per month sa isa ka insurance product nga sakto sa imong needs, priorities, and budget, then definitely it can be life-changing. So, kung magkuha ka o term insurance, this 1,000 pesos per month can cover you up to 2 million pesos life coverage. So, sama sa kong giingon kanina, if something happens to you, then this money will be able to help your family, your business, preserve your assets, as well as possibly help your employees. However, if tanaw nimo murag dako ra kayo ning 2 million pesos as far as life coverage, pwede nato na siya pababaan. 500,000 ba karon or 1 million, and then butangan nato siya og savings component through a VUL product. I'm sure daghang negative connotation surrounding VUL, but I promise everyone na naay nindot nga paagi in order to maximize the effectiveness of a VUL. However, if dili gihapon ka suwak sa ingana, then perhaps you can increase the 1,000 pesos to 2,000 pesos so that we can come up with a comprehensive traditional health insurance. Nga in case masakit si business owner, na siya dako nga kwarta para makatabang sa iyahang recovery so that dili kailangan mangutang and dili kailangan mabaligya ang business and mga assets. Or we can also come up with a traditional life insurance nga na ay guaranteed savings pod. However, we're not yet done. If we can increase it to more or less 3,000 pesos per month, we can come up with a plan nga na ay ginatawag nga endowments. Insurances nga na ay ginatawag nga endowments are those products nga na ay periodic payouts for life. I must say, as a financial advisor and an accountant, it will not replace your primary investments. Kung returns ang ato ang gusto, I definitely say nga pag-invest sa stock market, pag-invest directly sa Pag-ibig MP2. However, insurance man ang ato ang gusto and then na ay periodic payouts, it is a good diversification sa imuhang portfolio so that na ay periodic income para sa imuhang sarili, sa imuhang family, sa imuhang business, nga even if dili ka mo trabaho, there is that periodic payout. You might consider this video as a sales pitch promoting life insurance. However, this is also something na ginatuuhan dyan ako and gina-advocate po na ako. Kay way back in 2020, my mom died because of breast cancer and nakasugakod lang dyan may sa hospital bills ato tungod kay niabot siya og 60 years old, naka-retire siya, na-process na mo ang iyahang lump sum nga pension. Kay kung wala to, dili na mo mapa-chemo si mama, dili ma-extend niyang life for a couple of months and wala dyan may ikabayad sa hospital nga niabot og more than 500,000 pesos. That is why if we can just set a little amount every month and ibutang nato siya sa usa ka insurance product appropriate para sa atong mga needs and budget, then sooner or later we will be thanking ourselves nga gibuhat nato na siya nga move. Kato lang siguro and maayong gabi sa tanan.